Another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, June 16th. I guess if you're with us today, you survived Friday the 13th. So we do got a bit of economic news releases scheduled for today. We'll start off with the Empire State Index. This is the manufacturing in the New York region. So back in last reporting back in May, we had a reporting on 19.0, and forecast was supposed to dip, and it actually went up slightly. So good numbers right there. Good numbers coming out of manufacturing. We had industrial production for the month of May. We had back in April negative, and then forecasts coming up a half increase up a 0.5%, which came at met forecast expectations. Capacity utilization was supposed to go down a little bit from 78.9 to 78.8 and actually went up. So not bad there as well. So decent numbers being projected so far. And then we got the Home Builders Index, which is the confidence level from home builders. So we had a 45 back in May, and the forecast was supposed to go up to 47, and it actually jumped up to 49. So this is still below 50, which means anything above 50, they're feeling a bit more confident. Below, they're kind of what they're seeing is consumers are still kind of waiting for the full economic recovery before they kind of put too much into buying new homes, and they're kind of reacting accordingly. So they're kind of pulling back or scaling back a little bit until they can see a full recovery and see the consumer confidence building up a little bit. So that way, they don't want to be stuck with inventory with the last credit crunch. So we'll go ahead and jump over to the headline news here. And currently, the stock market, we've been kind of fluctuating quite a bit this morning. We were down a little bit, and then we pulled up, and then now we're down again. Some of the other factors that are kind of playing a role here is, of course, the Iraq. What we're going to do with Iraq, with the militias kind of taking a pretty big stranglehold over there. There's reports that they've killed about 1,700 of the Iraqi army over there. So obviously now I think the U.S. is even reaching out to Iran for assistance in the region. And then there's also some merger talk going on in there. Companies like Medtronics that talking about buying a company over in Ireland. So pretty big deal going on over there. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the bond market's doing. So we had a pretty big drop last week. So as you can see, we dropped all the way down to about the 101.27 range Friday, and since then we've climbed up. So we kind of are back where we started the day on Friday, not the end. So we're up from where we left off Friday. So that's good news, and so that gives us a improvement in our pricing in terms of where we left off on Friday. So as you can see, we're kind of moving upwards quite a bit, and that's obviously good news for us. All right. So as long as we can see this trend going upwards, that will help out interest rates, and we do got a bit more economic news releases being scheduled later this week that can kind of move it either direction. And some of this could help out bonds. This could help us out as well, especially what's going on in Iraq and stuff. All right, folks, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and stay tuned for tomorrow. We'll go ahead and touch base on a few more economic data coming in tomorrow. All right, thanks again for watching. I'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.